Hi, welcome to Inspire DIYer. My name is Max, and this is my cat, Cookie. He's falling asleep here. Um, Before we get on with today's topics, two things that recently happened in my life were sold my woodwork bar table that I built that took quite a long time, and I really loved the projects, but as soon as I moved into this space, I realized that my studio was way too small to sort of accommodate this table, and I wanted something that just sort of opened up the space. So behind me, I have another project that I'm building. This is gonna be a shelf, and I'm gonna make it into like a Murphy table, and maybe I'll make a separate video for that. But the second thing that happened in my life was that I started watching this YouTuber, and I'm gonna link to her below. And she really inspired me because she lives a very minimalist sort of lifestyle, and I was honestly intrigued. As you can see here, this is where my bar table used to be, and I'm trying to build this other shelf with the Murphy table to replace this project that I built. So I'm gonna put all these stuff onto the new shelf. And over here is my tiny kitchen, where I also wanted to empty out this sort of space a little bit more and organize those on the new shelf. And I got this spice rack to help me sort of keep all my spice organized, because I use a lot of spice. But there's a lot of stuff that I actually want to get rid of inside these cabinets, as well as stuff that I've been trying to organize into my storage room here. That I have a lot of different hobbies that I'm trying to get rid of, different things that I have in my life. Over here I have my plants collection, which is definitely not going anywhere for sure, so those have to stay, and I'm gonna finish up this woodwork projects and hopefully clear this space up. Over here I have my computer desk, which is cluttered with a lot of wires right now that I'm trying to make it look more clean and sort of, empty the space a little bit. I also have tons of stuff to start sorting out here, and I'm gonna be cleaning this tiny nightstand as well, that I hid a lot of stuff inside there as well as all these camping stuff that I have. I'll hopefully clear those up soon. So in the bathroom, I've been hoarding a lot of stuff in here that I probably kept for like a few years now, and I'm hopefully gonna try to sell or donate some stuff out here. And generally, that's probably about it. So as you can see from my quick room tour, that my place is actually not that bad. And that's mainly because I'm a fairly clean person. And also I moved around a lot, so I've been selling a lot of things, here and there before moving. But still, I feel a bit cluttered, and that's probably because I've moved to a much smaller place compared to my last two-bedroom basement I used to live in. So this project is going to be a multi-day recording. I'm not sure how many recording I'm going to do, but I'm going to update you guys on the process and how far I got to. And in the meantime, I'm going to start finishing up my Murphy table project, as well as like selling some stuff out that I don't need, or go to a donation center. Alright, time to get started. been about a month now since I first started my first recording, and this is how my place looks like now. If you like the content, please smash the like button and subscribe. If you have suggestions for different projects and ideas, please let me know down below in the comments section. Thanks for watching!